late. I actually slept in, which is something that I don't do due to the whole situation we're in America right now. My hours at work have been reduced, so I am home today. It is Monday, April 6th, and I'm just gonna make me some coffee. This is the creamer I'm using currently. I usually use the sugar-free, or Aldi has a good Italian creamer, but this is what I have now, so this is what I'll be using. A little, I don't like my coffee like overly sweet, so I kind of go by the color, and yeah, that's perfect. All right, so before I drink my coffee, I do this first. Again, I'm getting a late start today, but I still do it regardless. So I just have a regular 8-ounce cup, and I have lemons in the refrigerator, but I'm just gonna be lazy and use this. So this is what I do. Let me shake this up. I'll stop about right there, and then I'll just add the lemon juice. And I don't measure the lemon juice, I just put in however, a couple squirts, it's good enough. And then I'll just drink this. Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting here at the table, having my coffee in my favorite old chipped up owl mug, looking out the window. Looks like a pretty nice day today, but I'm sure it's chilly. It's not warm here yet where I live. So I'm sitting here trying to decide if I'm gonna cook that roast tonight. I need to figure it out soon because it's getting late. It's already 11 o'clock. But I'm waiting for my husband to text me back because he said he wanted fish, and I don't like to fry. I eat fried food, but I don't like to fry them myself. Just the grease splatter everywhere. I clean all that mess up, and I feel like the smell is still in your house 2-3 days later. So I don't want to fry anything, but I do want to eat it. So we'll see what he says. I'm just waiting on that. If I do decide to make the pot roast, I will try to film some of it just so you can see. I mean, pot roast is easy. Everybody knows how to make it, but I'll film it just because. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I know what else I was gonna say. This head of mine, I need to wash my hair. I think this is week 3 since I went and got it straightened. And I mean, it might look decent still on here, but it's filthy. It is filthy, and I'm being lazy. I don't feel like washing it, but I need to. I at least need to wash it by Thursday. So I don't go back to work until Thursday. So if I could commit to washing it and just, I don't know, maybe put it in a ponytail or a bun, but yeah, it looks okay, but it feels icky, it's greasy, it's pretty much over with, and I need to do something about it. So maybe I'll do that today. That's at the bottom of the list, so we'll see. All right, I found something to do. I forgot I had this lettuce in the refrigerator, so I just washed this. I'm gonna cut it up and use my new salad spinner. That's really my excuse for finding this lettuce in the refrigerator, but I'll do this and probably boil some eggs just to have some salads or something prepped. Maybe I'll have that for lunch. But anywho, I'm gonna cut this up and then I'll show you the salad spinner. I get so excited about these little types of gadgets. Here is the salad spinner. I just washed it, put the lettuce in here. So here's the separate basket that it comes in. Let me go back. It's the basket here. So I'm gonna put it in here. Put the top on there and then spin it. Alright, so it is a yes for me. I do really like this, and it definitely spins all the water out, so I do like it. So this is the brand if anyone is interested. I picked it up from Target. I do know that they sell these on Amazon, and I believe there's a small one and a large one. I have a large one. So this is it here. And yeah, it definitely gets the job done. So it was worth it. I think it was like $25, something like that. I'll have to look on my receipt, but yep, it's worth it. If you're like me, like, little household gadgets and stuff. So changing plans, probably not doing the roast. It's already 11:50, and we probably wouldn't be eating until super late. But anyway, this is either going to be lunch or dinner. Not sure yet. I'll see what he wants to do when he gets home. But I'm gonna put this bacon in the oven. These are the buffalo chicken bites. I make a buffalo chicken salad. So it's bacon, the buffalo chicken bites. I usually get the strips, but they don't have strips, so I just got the bites. Lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese. Oh, and eggs. I have eggs boiling as well. You can do ranch dressing or blue cheese. It doesn't matter. You can add celery, kind of whatever you like. So this is how you want your bacon out of the oven, nice and crispy. So I'm gonna chop this up, and this will go on top of the salad. And I have the boneless chicken bites in the oven. So these are the boneless chicken bites. They have to stay in for 20 minutes. And I like to leave them a little longer so they're crispy. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Super simple. I've done this for dinner before. Today is going to be lunch. I still don't know what I'm doing for dinner. So it's just lettuce. These are the chicken bites. You can leave them whole, chop them up, whatever. The bacon bits, the boiled eggs, red onions, tomatoes, and then cheese. I have a chunky blue cheese dressing and a ranch. Wait, where are my croutons? Let me grab those. And the croutons. And that's it. So I'm about to put my salad together, and then I'll come back and show you what it all looks like, but super simple. Here is my salad. It looks delicious. I am hungry and ready to eat. So I'm gonna eat this and probably go sit outside. Surprisingly, it's kind of decent out there today. So I think I am just gonna use some ranch. And this is everything that's left, which is still quite a bit. My daughter hasn't eaten yet, so. Okay, I'm gonna go and enjoy this salad. Delicious. Hello guys, it is me. I am back. Ate lunch. It was delicious. I did sit outside. The sun was out. Me and my mom sat in the backyard for a bit, but now the sun has gone back in. Watching a little bit of the news, just trying to keep myself updated on what's going on in the world. Look at this head. I really need to, do something about it. But what did I come out here to say? Oh, who's watching Cherish today? I am. That show is so good. I just finished watching, I think it was the last episode, but I hope it's not like the series finale because I got questions. I feel like it's some things that still need to be answered. So I hope that's not the last one, but I think it is. So, man, it was so good. If you are not watching Cherish today on OWN, you should be.